Then you comment, good morning and welcome to Joe for the today. I have new update for my iPhone 12 Pro Max. But what is this? I want to show you everything. What a beautiful car. Does you look like my future wife? Ay, 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 ay. Okay. Now, let's looking forward. I'm talking to you. What it is? Ha ha ha. Let's go on general. Let's go on total update. And let's check. Boom. Wow. This update is here. And this is iOS 17.3. Okay. I don't know more information about it, but you can learn more here. Look at that. You have all information you need here. Can you see this? Stolen device protection, lock screen, music. Face update also includes the following improvements, what you can see here, and more. Okay, no problem. This is mean when you need absolutely to install this. No problem. 17 is here today, and let's go for the update. But you need something. You need what? You need your passcode to do this. Okay. No problem. It's done. Now, add it, request it. Okay. After that, you need to wait 3 minutes again just to install this, and let's do it. Make sure that you have charge your phone. You need 50% of battery here, or you need to connect directly your phone to your charger. As you can see, it's done. This is what I'm doing now. I'm ready to install this with you. Get ready. Don't forget, let's come in shot. La 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 la. We have something here. Verifying update. And what? Turn off. Okay, little thing, and Apple is back. Yeah. Okay. I think that the process started. You need just to wait a minute. No. You need just to wait more than 10 minutes. You see what we happen a bit after. Okay, get ready. Okay, few minutes after, I think that is done. Look at that. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 17.3. Okay, this is amazing. Now you need to put your passcode again. Damn! What is this? Why Apple? Look at that. 6. Okay, good. Let's verify quick. General. I have software update and boom. iOS 17.3 after many days. Wow, this is cool. iOS is updated to date. Okay. I said iOS is up to date. Now, look at that. Can you see something new? I don't know. I don't know. Look at autofocus. Damn. Okay, look at that. Nice. You have either 64. Can you see this? Memory. Look at what I have. 102 megabytes. No way. And remember, I'm just about no way. I need to restart this phone. Absolutely. So, let's restart it. Just slide power off. Wait a minute. After this, turn on this phone. Power on. Apple logo is back. Wow, I think but a problem with autofocus. Look at that. I recorded this video with my Samsung Galaxy Note 8, but I have problem with autofocus right now. But I'm never forgive up. Another forgive up. Let me enter my passcode again because I'm so beautiful. Now, you have a phone. Everything look amazing. Can you see this? Wow. Okay, cool. Either 64. Let's see rubber RAM right now. Nana. Look at that. Okay. Now I have 11 megabytes. Cool. This is different. Nice. Okay. Now you can enjoy your phone. Latest Face ID. Wow. This is amazing. It's very fast. And this phone, it look very smooth now. Very smooth. This is just crazy. I love it. Okay. Not bad. What do you want to see? Last screen. Boom. Nice. Oh, look at this autofocus. It's really bad. Oh, wow. Okay, cool. Oh, I have a girl here. Look at this beautiful girl. Nice girl. Another one. And boom! This is my choice. Thank you for your choice, for your amazing choice. Yes. Can you see this? Nice. Wow, look at how this phone look like right now. Everything. This is just crazy. And it's okay. And it's what? Okay. It's what? I say okay. Not bad. Let's change for something new. And like this whisker. Wow, whisker is just amazing. Nice. Okay, cool. Unlock. Boom! And whisker is here. Can you see this? What you can do with your phone. What you can do with iOS 17. Not bad. What do you think? She's still under your face. I see your eyes. Okay, let's get again. Let's test another one. Another one. A brand new one. And ooh, look at his food. Okay. Ooh, look at inside. What a good idea. Nice. This is special. Okay. Great. Let's test the last one. The last and let now the last. After this, we are no one. Take a seat, baby. Look at that. Now, not bad. And this is how it look like. This is how it look like. Amazing girl. And this is cool. Nice. Okay, now your phone is good. It's ready to go. Happy New Year. Happy New Day. Happy New Update. Thanks for watching. And God bless you. And see you later for more videos like that on your channel. Thank you.